Hello everyone, this is Rick with Cybernetics, and we're here today to talk about screen protectors. A few months back I bought my Galaxy A52 and have purchased I guess a Spigen case, and I did an unboxing on it, but I've been remiss in getting the screen protector. My wife has been on me about this, so first thing we're going to do is take it out of the case. Case here, and I know that the screen protector, this one is by Supershieldz. I've used it in the past. Alright, let's turn the phone off. Use a microfiber cloth to clean the screen, even though it comes with an alcohol pad, I believe, to clean the screen. I never was a fan of screen protectors until I dropped the phone one day after owning it, and it hit the ceramic tile, and immediately the screen broke on it, shattered. So, and I have dropped phones with screen protectors on them where the screen protector is what has broken and not the screen on the phone, which is what you want. So it comes with this installation kit, the screen protectors themselves, some instructions. It actually says, for help with installation, please visit. It has like a scanned QR code. We'll open up the installation kit. It shows you what's included in it: dust remover, alcohol cleaning wipes, alcohol pad, cleaning pads. So clean that really well. Okay, then take your cloth pad, that's probably the cleanest my phone has been in a long time. I noticed there's already a scratch on the phone, which probably would have been prevented if I had a screen protector. Well, I know it would have been prevented. Would have just scratched the screen protector, not the screen of the phone. Once you've dried it off, then take your dust absorber, okay, so you put these guide stickers on the back of that, and then you line this screen protector up on the phone, and then you take the last guide sticker and you're going to use it, put it over here so that you can use it like a tab. So what we're going to do is line this up best we can. You'd be better off not to do this on a slick surface because the phone is kind of sliding around on this table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this microfiber cloth and I'm going to put it underneath the phone so that it won't slide so much. There we go. It's better. And once you do that, then you take these and you'll flap them over like so. All right, now you can take this, open it like a door, and then the key here is to pull this completely off. And then this is really the point where you're supposed to do the dust removal thing. I did it a little bit early in the process, so we'll do it again just to make sure there's no dust on here. Now that we've done that, we'll bring this over. This is where the magic's supposed to happen. All the bubbles are supposed to be out of it. So we press it. They say it can take up to 24, 48 hours for bubbles to come out. I guess we'll find out, huh? I would be particularly interested in your experience with screen protectors, which brands you have used, which ones you have found to be the most durable. I guess durability is a key factor, of course. And then how well they went on the phone. Well, that definitely did not adhere completely to the screen. I will post the video, and then if I can get it out, if the bubbles do come out, I'll let you know, but it's hard for me to tell if you can. There's one that's right here. It's pretty noticeable, and there's another one that's right here. All right, that concludes our video demonstration of installing a screen protector on the Galaxy A52. This was the package contents. It came with dust removers, guide stickers for the installation of the shield itself, microfiber cloth, and alcohol wipes. And there was 2 of these in the package. I got it from Amazon. I'll put a link to the description below. I believe it was around $7. They also have a little, I think I mentioned earlier, scan QR code takes you directly to their installation video. You may find that useful. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. Hit that subscribe button. We would really appreciate it, and have a great and wonderful automation day.